Hi beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am show you how to delete contacts on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At the same process to delete contacts on more another phone model. So let's get started. First open the call dialer app on your phone. After the call dialer app is open, go to the contacts tab at the bottom menu bar. Here you can see all saved contacts listed. Find the person if you deleted, tap on it to open. After it, then choose the app info icon. Here you can see the various options. Click on the more icon at the bottom. Choose the delete option, confirm it, and you are happy. You have successfully deleted the person on your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.